How to get a 0.5 on Snapchat. First thing you have to do is check if your phone has 0.5 lens or not. So for that, open up your camera. And once you have opened up your camera, if your lens goes up to 0.5, then that means that you have a wide lens on your phone. So if I just lift my phone up, as you can see here, I can move my camera to ultra wide mode. So if you have this, then only you can access the 0.5 mode on Snapchat as well. To do that, go ahead and head over to Snapchat. Now, once you get to the camera section, as you can see, if I lift up, this is my 1x, that is the normal camera. And if I tap on 2x, it will zoom in a bit more. So let me just show you guys. If I tap on 2x, it will zoom in. But if I tap on this 0.5 right here besides the 1x on the left, it will move my camera to ultra wide mode. So I can toggle between 1x, 2x, and 0.5 seamlessly on my camera. Now if I want, I could also zoom in a bit and not make it 1x completely. So let's say if I just want to make it, this is the furthest I can go, 0.5. Now if I just zoom in a bit, it won't be 1x, but I can move it to around 0.7 or 0.9, just like so. So that's how you use the 0.5 camera on Snapchat. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.